It's Dijottama. I'm going to Disneyland to celebrate my 8th birthday. We enjoyed 40 attractions, including the newest Starwars Galaxy Edge, in 2 days. So if you're going to Disneyland, this is probably the best guide that you can have. We flew from San Jose. In the airport, I met Jaslyn. We were also in the same flight, and guess what? I even met her at Disneyland. The day finally arrived. I can't wait to enter Disneyland. And it's my birthday! Here I enter the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and fantasy. I got my happy birthday and first visit badges at the entrance. There's music and happiness all around. We took the horse-drawn streetcars to Fantasyland, where the Sleeping Beauty's castle is. We took a quick walk in the Sleeping Beauty's castle, but it seemed a little scary to me. Next, we went to Peter Pan's flight and Mr. Toad's wild ride. Then we went to the Flying Elephant Dumbo. Next to Dumbo is Casey Jr.'s circus train, and you can't miss that. We had lunch at Red Rose Tavern. Then we wanted to enjoy It's a Small World. At Fantasy Fair gift shop, we met Kathy. She was a real princess. She told us about the Fast Pass, and we got our first Fast Pass. Since we had to wait for our Fast Pass window, we went to Alice in the Wonderland.
Play croquet.
Just after we were done with Alice in Wonderland, I met Alice. That's called serendipity. Finally, it was time for It's a Small World.
It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and a world of fears. There's so much that we share that it's time we're aware. It's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world.
Then it was time for the Disneyland parade, featuring Mickey and his pals and Disney princesses. They even wished me happy birthday. After the parade, we went to Mad Tea Party. Next, we went to Mickey's Toontown. We had the Roger Rabbit's Fast Pass, but we couldn't go in. The ride wasn't working. However, Gag Factory was fun. Then it was time to meet Minnie. After that, we went to Go Coaster and Donald's Boat. While walking towards Tomorrowland, we found the return of the parade. This time, Cruella de Vil wished me happy birthday. In Tomorrowland, we took a ride on the monorail, dashed cars in Autopia, and took a ride in the submarine to find Nemo. Then We checked out Star Wars Launch Bay, enjoyed Star Tours, collected the Fast Pass for Astro Blasters, and then went to Adventureland to enjoy their enchanted tiki room. It was really enchanting.
Which has bird tongue, and it goes round and round. And that's why they call it a birdmobile.
Look, here come the birds.
We enjoyed Jungle Cruise, Indiana Jones Adventure, and Tarzan's Treehouse. Then we watched the Halloween show in the main street. After the Halloween show, we went back to Tomorrowland to ride the Astro Orbiter. Then we went to Astro Blasters and Space Mountain. It was like a roller coaster through the galaxy. Everybody was kind of scared, other than me. And that's the wrap for day 1. Day 2, we took the horse-drawn streetcars to Fantasyland. By the way, I got this Mickey hat when I was not even 1 year old in Bangalore. My mom kept it for me. First was the King Arthur's Carousel. Then we collected the Fast Pass for Matterhorn bobsleds and played with Peter Pan and Captain Hook. Storybookland Canal Boats was next. If you're wondering what's written at the back of my t-shirt, it's Dekhle Hobe Khotchache in Bengali. After that, we went to Frontierland to ride Mark Twain's Riverboat. It took us back in the pre-European colonization era. Next was Disneyland Railroad. This ride took us back in the Jurassic period for a short while. Then it was time for Pirates of the Caribbean. Ahoy, mateys! After that, we collected the Fast Pass for Splash Mountain. While walking towards Starwars Galaxy Edge, I found Coco's place. And then I met Jaslyn, whom I became friends with in the airport. I was thrilled to reach Starwars Galaxy Edge, but the queue was really long. Eventually, we made it. I flew the Millennium Falcon. From there, we went to Winnie the Pooh. And then I met Jaslyn again. We enjoyed adventures of Winnie the Pooh together. It was full of honey and it was also funny. We went to Tarzan's treehouse once again. We saw a glimpse of the Royal Theatre on our way to It's a Small World. This was our second time to It's a Small World.
It's a world of laughter, a world of tears.
Finally, it's time for Matterhorn bobsleds. By the way, there's a fake yet. Next was Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. After thunder, it's time for splash. That means Splash Mountain. And we ended with Pinocchio's daring journey. That's the wrap, folks. 2 days, 40 attractions in Disneyland. This has been my best birthday so far. Thank you for watching. I hope this will be useful for your Disneyland trip. Don't forget to like, share and comment.